your skin isn't cleansed perfectly, then what happens is the product that you're blowing a lot of money on isn't going to penetrate your skin because it can't get through the leftover makeup or oil or dirt or debris of the day. Hello beautiful, thank you so much for being here. Cody, always here to help you have the most healthy, glowing, and gorgeous skin regardless of your age, concern, or budget. In today's quick video, I'm going to show you how I clean my skin and my client's skin so to be able to get better results from the current products that you have and use now. So here's the thing. If your skin isn't cleansed perfectly, then what happens is the product that you're blowing a lot of money on isn't going to penetrate your skin because it can't get through the leftover makeup or oil or dirt or debris of the day. So follow this tip and I promise you, you're going to see not only a dramatic difference in the results that you'll get from your cleanser, even if it's from the drugstore, but you're also going to start to see better results occur from the products that you use afterwards. So what I recommend is that you somehow get your makeup off from the day, whether that is a makeup wipe, a micellar water. You just need to set yourself up for success by getting your makeup off first, then doing your cleanse. And what I recommend is using either a little bit of oil or using your cleanser twice. In this case, I'm going to take my blemish treatment cleanser. We use this on a lot of clients who, it can just be used on everyone. It's very gentle, but it's a little bit of exfoliating, but it's soothing and it's moisturizing. It's kind of a weird cleanser. It's amazing. And you just put it onto your face. Whatever cleanser you have now, get your ears, behind your ears, and back, your neck, and back of your neck. And then you're gonna sit here and you're gonna love yourself and your skin by consciously cleaning, by taking time to perfect this ritual in a way that is setting the stage for success because you're taking a moment for yourself and cleaning yourself. Like, the more conscious energy you can put to this moment and applying your skincare and doing what you do, it just gets you in the moment. It makes you appreciate your ritual and appreciate that you have the money or the time to be able to do this and to care for yourself. And the more love and energy that you put back into yourself makes all the difference that manifests itself in many different ways in your relationships, in your work. So I recommend that you do that and then you rinse that off. So that's kind of like the first little cleanse. It's pretty quick. And then, so here I'm going to just show you, because I don't have a sink even though there's a sink behind me. I'm gonna use a wash rag here that is clean, and I'm just going to lightly take that off. And you wanna get behind your ears like this. So if you were just in the shower doing this, this is what I do in the shower, I just rinse it off. But do it however you do it and wherever you're at. So that's getting off just the first kind of coat, even though I didn't have anything on because I took off everything before I filmed today, but it's still showing a little bit of my tinted moisturizer. And you want to make sure you get your hairline, so if this is in the shower, make sure you're washing your hairline. Now you're going to wash with your first real wash. That was the pre-cleanse. Now you're going to take about, I don't know, almond size, less amount. And now you're gonna spend about 30 seconds or longer washing your face. This is gonna make all the difference because it's gonna exfoliate, it's gonna brighten, it's going to prep the skin and get it ready for whatever else you put on it. So just spend more time doing this and I promise you, you're gonna see huge results in every area, from your products working better, penetrating better. If you have breakout down here, spend some time loving on this breakout. Appreciating your face, your skin. If you have melasma here and you're trying to get it brighter, sit here and spend a little bit more time massaging it. If you're prone to acne and breakouts, get in your hairline like this. Scrub with your fingers in your hairline. You should never be going to bed with your products in your hair or that shampoo, dry shampoo crap. Get rid of that crap. Stop using that as shampoo. It's not. People come in with cystic acne and they got all this. I'm like, what's in your hair? Baby powder? Because it's the dry shampoo. That stuff is meant to be used once in a while. It's not meant to be used every day. Sit here and use your fingers and massage the muscles. Hold the muscle right here in the jaw. Take a deep breath in. Let it out. Oh, it's a lot of tension right there in the temples. Press. Take a deep breath in. Let it out. Your eyebrows right here. Use some pressure. right here and hold it. Take a deep breath in. Good, and now use your fingers, your whole palms of your hands back and forth like this. And then use your hands like one big movement all the way up like this. Go up, go up. You want to train these muscles, you want to stimulate them. You want to release any toxins in there. You want to release any of the lymphatic buildup, so the lymphatic drainage by massaging right here in the back of the ear. Get behind the ear like this, in your ear like that, in the back of your hair, and your neck. Up, 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 up. Good. And now you rinse or you wipe, and now your skin is clean, girl. Okay? This makes a huge difference, I promise, because I know how I am when I'm rushed and not taking the time, but that consciousness that we have to slow down, to breathe, to take more time in something can make all the difference in many areas of our life, because how we show up for little things that we do unconsciously will grow our consciousness in areas where we are showing up unconsciously as well. So adding more awareness to the thing that we do so naturally and we don't think about, like brushing our teeth, makes us grow in presence. Try this. Let me know what you think. Tell me the difference you notice. So what we do as professionals, I'm just showing you a little trick that's going to set you up for success so that whatever you do afterwards, it's actually going to work now. You know, your acne product, anti-aging, your toner, your elixir, whatever, your vitamin C, doesn't matter. Now it's going to have the potential to really work and to get into the skin layers, because there's no oil, there's no makeup, there's no debris. If you're dealing with acne, I'm going to tell you now that you shouldn't be sleeping on your hair, and your hair should be cleaned as much as possible, and your pillowcases should be cleaned as much as possible, and put maybe your hair up in, like, you know, a headband and a hair net so you're never sleeping on it, or that whatever is in your hair is never getting and sitting on your skin, especially if you use product. Recommend you get that product out of your hair however you can, even if it's with a little bit of a light rinse real quick or something. So anyway, I love you guys. Hope this helped, and have a beautiful day. I'll see you really soon. Don't forget to stay gorgeous, and I'll see you really soon in a new video. Bye.